You want to go from this to this without programs, without wasting a lot of hours in the Photoshop program or paying for tools to do the job for you, removing the background. I'm sure you want to do it in the easy way in less than 5 seconds and simply. So let's go because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Great. So here we are, and as you can see, we are going to learn how to do this without any programs, paying options, etc. You can see that I'm logged out. I'm not even logged in this web page. The web page is remove.bg, remove background. And this is a place that is using artificial intelligence to be able to remove the background from our images. Very simple. You just need to upload in here your image. You can drag and drop. You can select it, or even you can paste a URL. But I have not tried that option, to be honest. So I will just get one of these, move it here, and you will see this is an image with many things in the background. So not a good practice, but as you can see, the program is perfectly able to delete all those objects, and we get to the image that we wanted without background at all. We can see the comparison between the before and after, and you can see that even the light is quite bad. I'm not considering a clean background. The program using the artificial intelligence is able to do the job, and I can download it for free. Again, I'm not signed up, nothing. I can just download my image, and here it is. Perfectly fine. If we look, all these, even the chair or anything appears in it. So this is a perfect program that you can use to download for free and remove the background. But also it has some advanced features that I would like to show you, because it's very important you take attention to those best practices, that you have a clean background, good light. But if you don't have that, probably you will need to help a bit this program to delete properly the background. I will show you another image where this program will face a bit of difficulty, and I will show you how to solve it, basically. I will select another image. In this case, I'm going to use this one. And as you can see here again, the background is not clean. The light is not very good. And as you can see, for example, in this case, what happened is that, okay, in here I can see a bit of the chair that I was sitting on. So if you want to fix this, to have the perfect image, what you need to use is this option, erase or restore. Okay, we can do both, or if the program has not deleted as much as we needed, we can erase. But if, for example, it happened to me that the program removed a finger from my hand, something like that, okay, you can restore it. The only thing you need to do is you need to tell the program where, which is the area that needs to review again. You can choose the size of your brush, and you just need to select the area where you want the program to think again. So we can see that quickly the program was able to process and delete in here that part of the chair that we didn't want it to see. So here again, we can see the result. Very good result with a free program. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to show you, to be able to do this very quick, not losing time, not needing to install, pay, anything. Absolutely for free and quick, straight to the point. So yeah, I hope that you liked the video. Also, you can let me know if you're using other options so that I can explore them and we can share them with the community. It will be great for all of us to collaborate on this. And thanks so much for watching the video. Press that like button, subscriptions, and thank you so much. See you in the next video.